Right, and da Yawada 16th September 2021. I said that, and I had ma Chidian Podo Boss Runyamre, a Shasta, see the Kama. Na the super down the 2 year, as a special down the 2 year, be always say, is signing New York, near hanging hand so ever, or the Egu Emma, Nemanino, at me every moody meeting at the same mic, a higher Kumawood TV. And the transfer on in Yamre, near the minor home and come up. The Sunday doors from Papa in Yamre, night transia. DDT na editre and I Yamre, na etimitre adwin at the former catcher. There be a say posterity. Say I send him a year. That's be a non chima. It be a 4 and until them no air and none. Then I eat just out to say, saying that that's him a year. This gradually. Some no take care mu, send a mountain so. Na yididi wie yanum nsuo na yigyae ereto abonten a gradually no na say ye kire nsase no say oh nsuo ne Roberts no enkotoku baabi nti ebia na enanya nsanso na emmom wakire bi na nsanso aba bebre isusa no na nsuo to kumase a na enyiri enya bi fa eko bare nei nsuo to a enam say yetisi adan de nsuo na drains na yakete nti no na eyiri fire ide me no mienu eye ne nei na kire de besi nyame ya adom a emire bi ebeba ma yento tie ne mayi enye ne mayi na daache no enkoyi emfama ye se mpo ye ni won pokura no a enchirima ehunu se yantumi anye omabro bidin ere se mike aha Kumawood TV jumade no sinopi fisa bia kopem se no nsia ebo na enyamre na etumi ede abro aseda enkoma Lawson Herbal Mixture na ebi enkoma Kumawood Training Institute Stardom na yemfa aseda PSA no emfa Emma Venisburg Travel and Tour Mala Mohammed Spiritual and Herbal Center and afi Awa Travel and Logistics so munyina ena aka bo mu asu aseme de dwumade no etumi ede abro meeting ede sema kwadwe nkyere we screen ase numbers no go so Bani Yamra can kind at the ama. This is your show. Into your views, your thoughts, your comments, Manamra. Na Inyamre and can kind into me and far Emma Reverend Usubempa. As of a cassia, oh my Ghana, Bonidia Ghana in Inimno. We say, Ope, 1 hour sham come at the Emma Amano Sam and people when you cool our elections mua. We in the free more in ye. Me Kaimwa Ghana man penny or this way. Oba no opposition papa yi hye nkom kire mu se obedi o mampani se wani ana aso ekura no ntwajantum na ye hye no in 2016 December 7th and o mampani enso ebedi ade na se bo hye ne nkom hye no abem ye swear in 2017 January 7th the kwasiada ye toso mienu so and okọ Reverend Usubempa sorry Glorious Way Chapel ekoda ase na enam so mass of penny ema no aboa bemben se onfa nkoto no dem na enya ne bambo kese pa mfama no mfie nan egosi mfie nwotwe ba bambo no me no ka sei ya ade se abemben no eda so da mampani edem nti papa de o pani ba ko mampani fa ni agrokra na se ni subi ne ne se bi okaka na mafo bi su se enso ni ense da mfata enam so ema woni okonfoba ba ko a ono wa hu so nyame afre no na osakira ye obra posifo nsa kan no na oba ye no well what is nyame afre no na ni sudi the bind here e je nyame afre no fa na grada Usubempa ni nya issue Usubempa ama the wisdom of God na ni nanim ba ni pasu e ma kopi mama me ni fie e ko ye tiri no na aposifo atom sa Usubempa ma na nkwa ma me no ka sei aposifo che Usubempa na nkrofo na no kwesi ada court Monday aposifo ka say still omo investigations ye san remand no court grantee ma ye san de ne koe enra na ne lawyer Gary Mako etimi ehwe ye koe ma high court etimi grantee Usubempa bail Usubempa enei chawpa ena opa Ghana fo nyina say wo awo fi abo mpaye wo ka bi wo mu nyina mo mpaye na mompa the Ghana's IGP Dampare Akufo yɛmpa ne kyɛw sɛ wɔsrɛ no a ɔno a na ɔgye ne ho nipa so connections or connection obi anai or connections or efficacy or connections or baabi a na nso we dey obesere pa be say the connection na IGP office wo nti pa IGP chow IGP mfanche na Sami Jamfi communications officer for the NDC here in Ghana and on that tum say e kwa do super papa so nye na de omo ye no omo twa sabia to as super papa person mutane these days obi ntimi hu say bia oya against ba omiantia o say yo obi ntimi hu owie ya na super papa lawyer Evans Garimako abonte beka say Sami ye serew enfo na watum wan hwe ana wa say case ne kura case ana wa hye serew a mfa na watum kura ma mkrofo no bu nkofu na ye mpacho na case no yentimi entwam well ebedamre na yetimi edi ho enkomo the West African Examination Council enwomasua bia baako a obia no a obewie SS wo my Ghana na say basic education of my Ghana no omo any assessment center ana authority a omo so he utimi twa pass a na say o ko secondary school ana say o ko university wo my Ghana any ebibremu amai West African countries no na enso ha afi 2021 year twe no ayi say mebre obeka ya last year and free chance here the first batch of the free senior high school graduates no na omo ewie 2000 the year 2000 it was that time and the current president Ampani Nana Akufo-Addo etu mafane for okọ Jomoro in the western region na okasa kire half a senior high school for okachom say what's in amokotwe no montwe na mumpase na enshemu the critics of the free senior high school and okwa ofan kwatre exams no they had what is called past questions maths English and science do do to say eno na be ma abia so ma kwatre no e be ma matimi adinku no na asa question be free mu na aba o kwatre free mu amba enu masem twembo akodia senior high school Dwabe senior high school and other secondary schools be a my Ghana and mafra no etiatua demonstration essay school japade because integrated science and first paper no o ma Paul and me ama abeye say mebre mama kwa susu say last year said the apostle course o my Ghana no na enso ni ensada enfata results ne baye na abeto ja say Nigeria kura no population no do so no o my Ghana mo fa na pass pa the I think other West African countries are omo enso actually the same people no ebie this year papers no egusu a ekoso English language elective maths entiye ene nhwemu a waye kofo no akora no so omo so enya ebie ne papers no eliki kura ema mofra no so hwa do a omo twede this year ne de edika kura eba 2-3 days ansa na exams no omo atumi akotwere we on bekono na dito on Tuesday emafano enya fixes and have a business management omo suya no kron enra and also kom gotwere enra anopa ena waye kedeba ese nsohe no watimi atu e de aseda fi se osusu se enema ba ko menu bi ansheda ankoye waye release omo de ba enra e ka bi ma hote ye so hwe ya actually say about 11 schools in Ghana omo atese omo aya tem so mo be wia and they are monitoring them closely schools no oba Asante regional school ba ko a in terms of exams omo agidi abo ma ba so pa so mo pass pa tepa senior high school mi twetwe was twa prempe nyina manfo busa say sa omo ya de sa omo so edin omo bi ejoso secondary technical omo enso ewomu ukọ western region any other region so adisuafo na high schools no ebi enso ewomu enei ye din komo na ebusa a lot of questions say you be here another exams body amana beboa WAEC ana say yenya omo a no monye de omo ye na over the years enye sabiri nko a ana say technology and ama apono as a adult sa and as technology so now social media no adult so no can't WAEC also do something na omo ntumi emfa moa ema ensohem birimu no omo nso ntumi emonitor na who has to be blamed or who is responsible for all these malpractices are ekoso no yen portion blame no emfa ma hwan why the certain questions no say why yakede a why the leaky papers no apposi for invigilators and answer why no and who is making money out of this WAEC examination issues inyamre na yatrase edi ehon enkomo ajenche ni hia pa ejina eko school na yete apo na yete pa mo amukọ oti mo be kai 1997 mo na ndi free oti ba was samatete apo bi aba mo be gibi na ntifa fom kwa beduru ye but yenya bi antwere yenya apo how come say ni aye so rampant sa ebia be ko bia no na apo parent ko atimi ko share PTA meeting say yentwetes come from moye ma no no mutumi pass what is going on inyamre na yatimi edi ho enkomo ente ya enya ene se de abrewa yipuma kwan mu ama MMDCs omo a ewo se ombadi ade ede bo anada kokofo ado ne second term no list no bia no aye krado ama afọwede ede ama the finest minister the humble than both. In fact papa no ohe na ho brase a fatapa obeye minister for regional integration yehu ye yase ne ompani at the list na man ntia ncha kra ehwe ni mu se dia wo he ni mu so obeye o DC MC yebi hu no so na enema atumi aboa sam no de edoso enyamre na afi yatumi adi enkomo enso ha once again I am ajo na mo akwara medin it is Mike Kumawood TV joining Facebook Kumawood TV like no share na manfo so enya bi ahwe san so and on YouTube Kumawood TV we ya fort na se e padi for no me no di nkomo be miensa na yenya mre na ya trase atimi adi nkomo we colleague then one na ewo industry no mu na mo na from senior colleagues kokora for na mo be mo atapa no obino no na mana kwaba atrase na afi yentwa ehoma ewia enyamra atrase sanso na counselor as an educationist ono so ebe join ye na afi enso pokwa yando enso ajoin ye in the media industry idi e de fe no Virgin Prince kiba kwaba
menua ejo so
bako de
bako
wife
thank you so wife
I mean, as usual, Fugu ya.
Fugu, me pebi pao.
Oh, sir.
One of the dresses I mean, she be that.
Oh, okay. Who should be that cry?
No.
Oh, let me see if I can get you. Once I should be that day, my memory has been.
As a me she be pa. Me sure sabe fatam.
Sure. We achapa. I think so. Okay, from 2013. ABC or 2021 or
yeah, 2020.
How many years?
That's about
8 years.
8 years.
Good. Now campus.
I see.
I was a hall president. Now my vice no.
To me, northern side.
Yeah, northern side.
And top bro.
Na appreciation of the blame no.
Wow.
Say me the come who no so I be vice president.
Why? But I need that so that.
Yeah.
Once we you share and share no.
Sure.
Sure. Occasionally no.
I alega yeah that's pa. Well, if you ask to say, be a question.
Oh, Yamiadum. Say, I dear Chewa. No, I didn't Yamiasi. So, we see cow, so Niscow.
Okay.
Wama departure. Whatever, baby, Biano. Obama was Sako. I dear Chew, dear. Maybe the Biana made the Asedam and Miss Wama, dear Chim.
MDCs. Who say a chair? Nacha, say it to Masnet here. Say, Mary only hono say ya juma na who say bibia kwaso kama na bibia to sini
anyway mame encha with you for ne wa chef nyina
good
na me da se wa invite topic our the by MMDC even
the kitu
president no kraji to mu say ache even the president acknowledges say constitution man kwan so onye say juma no aso no yam or ya the constitution inside for
the constitution man no time limit
no but constitution ma a certain reasonable time.
Okay.
The constitution is written for human beings it assumes that you are a human being and you know what reasonable time is.
Okay.
About what in America. Sure. You saw in your company and yeah, one say, oh, company or no one inheriting, or because or no one inheriting one. And no, net so, and you're about man. It's your honey over mount. So it should be easy for your company so be ye ni MMDC. Or any papu fro. About what in America. Enti one man say, you know, that's about 9 or 8 months. A check and obi ukasa chair e na microphone tias microphone so de bi ne ye. So yen you MMDC sa. Input juma nkoso wo mensim.
Ebi ni ho a.
Ebi ni ho a.
Papa yenim say district kwa na ebi a say omo nyina isinfu operation kwa no a. Bu ha bia say bia wa free mu ana say bia yi na di no. The regional ministers or deputy ministers act or they take a supervisory group.
Yes.
Those districts. We have a regional minister now. And even those I say Omukrano, say Omudaso. No,
I'm saying
as of office.
That's okay. But ask yourself, then as district assemblies in the year, they have common fund. They have the IGF or more internal generated funds or munya. And no the petty things. Sure. But your multimedia major projects are what who say schools be they should assembly I see schools or makoyi chip compound be or makoyi gata be kase be or baby e be a flat be and baby so multimedia koyi gata be or why betimi and no a major project. Okay. And no a common fund cater for those projects. Last year, the last quarter of last year, the common fund has not been paid. Yeah. This year we are in the last quarter. The first quarter has not been paid. The second quarter has not been paid. The third quarter has not been paid. We are in the fourth quarter.
I think this question of the common fund, I asked one MP, and I said, Mike, so I will say, and Crawford no motivono. You need so more tran so more control the bar. And we are na we have a kubum because
maybe so. Last quarter na amba. Yeah, the become one etuan.
Why not? They have to pay.
No, enya the become. This year no be bano. Ebia ni obeba be meeting no na ebe last quarter na ebe de be mano. You see, so ehun here. The constitution emma o mampeni to me say, "Who your mampeni a won crime." That's the capital city. But eso you obi obegina wa name. Sure. E mention. In fact, that is where they say governance is. Yeah. Microphone feel say local government, you know, a one free. That's why statutorically, you know, you must say you chase can be at the Batman, you know, IFNO common fund. It's a statutory payment. I bind to me in council on here. But say this in you are bind to me council. This in Ukraine you want to here. Ampa first quarter into here, second quarter into here, third quarter into here. My name says ye this in no na be more and I'm not sure because there's no money. Iti ache, but see I have to say Omampenia submit listening to the local government minister. Let's hope say Omodebe. I feel na assembly members no eba beto omswaba.
Sure.
Ni aji omatum.
Next year.
For all you know, a big crab drag it to next.
Oh, sure.
Because obi o high engine too. Ye two so about 1, 2, 3. I say Omampeni change you. Yeah.
But I think say. So now we see the commentary John Boadu Deba, Eugenia Hemo Deba, and even one Perina Casacra Deba. It tells you say, Oma Omodo Mobile dear. Many shows won't be facing the challenge because almost all much not say I consultations, enough consultations from the assembly members, from the chiefs, opinion leaders, the party itself. I think it's this one there.
Many I know what you may me know why. There is no appointment president in your consultation. If some of the people are president, they appoint you only more personally. A party in Crawford a deal more brain. So as for consultation, it has always been happening, but after the consultation, into question,
I'm also a proper one.
Oh, no problem. Some know me on a tickroom. Say BNC, I ever bought a bina basso, and I say, Baba born another basso. So to me, your consultation. But consultation doesn't mean that you have to drag the district assemblies input to or development, you know, for almost a year. I think that it's better late than never. But it could have been done better. It could have come earlier. Because you see, governance is only felt as governance in the district assemblies. Ogata na say, and your man penny never free crab by Yama. O district assembly never Yama. Market be a say, school be a leaky. And your district assembly no nebet me abaye. So this is new wa. Omo motono, omo ye acting. Idea ya kwasa ya catch say acting. What mean ya she? Because who shall o say be na ukoye BBC na akofa problem abro. Iti eno de ehia say yi. Iti many agi say omampani at long run we yi what the list na come local government minister. Yen hwe say consultation no eye adwuma yi na ye nya sa hiccups ne biom na district assembly and start here because when you go if you with DC for now they will tell you the place is like a ghost. Sure. Unlike KMA the rest they are not doing anything. It's better late than never. At least let's hope some fast tracking Yamana district assembly for no best at Jumana development back to the local government because governance is at the local government level.
KME. Idiom submitted. Na former MP for Ishaeso. Okay. Kennedy can come. Your engineer Tapuku. Okay. Atapuku. Engineer Tapuku. Yeah. Good. And then Collins Usamankwa. Okay. Hey. And Sampai. Okay. All of them I know them personally. Apart from okay, I know Sampai personally. Okay. Collins minimum personally. Okay. Can come minimum personally. Engineer Tapuku minimum personally. But Mekasa, I wish all of them well. But I'm me to be say as a Sampai in the beba. Sana mate. Sure. But I Sampai will say Sampai about what is a result to me against our position. Sampai deserve it. Sampai is my own. Sampai deserves it. But I'm not foreseeing that Sampai bad there will be any difference as we see KMB. You know, me want to see bit me about. Oh, because Sampai happens to be a pure party person. So let me come satisfy the party. But me who in terms of say Kumasi, well. You'll be surprised. Also, Obia won a leadership. Yes, Sampai is a party person, true and true party person. Right. Yes. But our other leadership qualities are, apart from that, he's a teacher. My name is a teacher. Cass. Okay. So maybe he has other leadership qualities. Maybe he's somebody who can marry the two. He will be able to satisfy the party people and still satisfy even those who are not party people. What would you remember the current or the outgoing KME boss for? I will not remember him for anything. Right. I was here also CDP. You try Homra Poko Briando at Nantes also and counselor educationness or more what are pony fibano. Teacher for no. There's one more there for the man Colano. Or more so and more village no more your money. You get 3 Ghana, 5 Ghana, 3 Ghana, 5 Ghana, 3 Ghana. Now for the 2 years because person about pass here. I will urge Saint Kabeya all the institutions in Ghana before you admit any SSS graduate no momentary entrance exams. Now when you straight pa na here there say nka omo so na omo pass pa no omo betumi akọ university na me ahia. Etwe omra e be beto aso. Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra adwuma me me ne da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi na kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete
oh ha no chine techramate say abo wo no malam say nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa wo se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina ono wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twu glue ka ho me ne wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri osem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie odu ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tiebi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwantu ne ho hihye padia eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ayadwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye atomu obo ma wo birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwaje visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing there we number 1 odo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa di onjuma nyina so no do kodura amanoni a ba bia obeda ene adwuma obeye nyina nso so obepe e de amawo adisuafo mu kosua de e wo Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any amanye keka ho nyina nso odem be kwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odem kodura emra mu sua de no nso osape dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santasi ene opokuari school ene de animhwe be kwai odo tobiri wura bank nchepe Bekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction ene de animhwe freyane e wo 0242 902 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene edayenso
The winner is Courage. Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no say season 2 audition no e basso den Stardom season 2 audition e basso live we oba ana we berima wonim nyum to nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo bekire obobrede Stardom ye audition baako mienu de to so miensan de brewe we ye wi a ye nye audition bi bio e final audition and na e baso on the 25th September yi ne da etoso aduonu enum fa beje o Stardom na achede wo mu no de e bebre e Saturday a e be ya bomode a se wonso obeba na obeje o Stardom audition no e be ye butu for number the good screen is no e 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni se sia na fe ye chechero mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumasi anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern Region se wo Western Region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina bomode ase e Saturday a ebe ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumasi ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepepe ene yɛde audition no ɛhyehyɛ so anɔpa no ndu pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛyɛ 10 a.m. na yɛahyɛ aseɛ yɛde dim saa ɛkɔsi 4 p.m. ɛno nti baabi a wɔ biara tutu mmirikae na wɔn nso fa wadom akyɛdeɛ ɛbra na stardom season 2 wei ha ɛbɛyɛ butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke
abisia yen sign ema akwaba ugoso ehesinupi live on Kumawood television bujafo akanso atnase ma counselor educationist Eugene yeboa abani akwaba bakode wasi no kwala no guso twere na ekosai
senior time table tie no
distance ni yenti ni preko na bia dia konkonye de
senior time table no tie no sa na tie yo obi ne ya ho wa se ga de ku ha
okay okay DC MDC is some less than neba minister Sakane there ketwe be expectation came 1 hour expected among the 4
yes be a list na ba the among the 4 ni ye senior me betu say na mu dun ko wan say party na tisunu pompa obi a obe ha party emma and no 2 weeks
okay
among the 4 no party no ni ye mu ni hwemu ni ye I think say sampan no they didn't my kra na wo so
okay
say they ye body na wo ma say na
sampan
say anya kan say
regional secretary
onya gi sa position na obeye adwuma ama party no obeye adwuma
right Paul Kwabrayando financial secretary dima NPP Aswa constituency and Deputy Ashanti Regional Secretary, hopeful for the NPP. Pakwaba. Bokode. Is it the idea enter crowd? Na listen no, cause the information said on penny at the Hakoma minister. As a enter crowd. Nankaba. Minister said they do hear some penny abroad of Fatuja.
Minister who complain. If you all my penny is I bet do what minister and a person you can't baby do.
Yeah.
It will be a part now, then I will.
If you also hear me now, also recommendations be.
I dare know you see 2 minutes. You only be I don't know. Was it be a prerogative now?
Yeah.
Now every presidency, according to say I'm a partner about it between an apart till now, no there now bet my and when I say avenue be now got now book will be out. But me and so many tension, suspension, and yes, Emma and Emma say, what you said, school cry a quick. You call who trade them now results of my who did blow your crowd to me today? Who did you grow to me and
Kemi say, your Kodanya no Chinani eba now the Hona Ote say, Engineer Tapuku, and I have born in for KM. Look about him, Kumasia.
As well, who did be who did Tapuku, meaning Tapuku. As a teacher, fortunately, you will like pairs on an unlike pairs. But it's really towards the way which choose the odd one out. What they are tapuku, what they your friend is saying, Sampine, what the Kennedy can come, what the friend is saying,
Collins,
Ebe to work. Now, who can say choose the odd one out? Who may choose a tapuku? And then Tima would choose a tapuku is not part of us. What you say? Yet here, MPP, I go by dinner, and also can requirement. That is why you hear betting.
Okay.
Say, party for the regional minister, and son a party chairman, and son a the ma party chairman betting movie no. should be also worked on. And I want to
okay, and if the person is not part of you, other than I was the region and I have in vet committee in the crown in the first place, almost presenting.
I don't think that MPP is very democratic. Yeah, you be free and fair. Don't mama cry and say, oh, they say, 2 years ago, committing the club and I'll bet my comment. But it's up to us. Say, vetting process, requirements, and our requirements there. Requirements in the baby, the winner out. What Adams? But your marking scheme. And I just marking scheme in the bachelor is a new way, whatever, and answer whatever. So, yet, yeah. Atapuku on a very say, Jano, who are you trying to hear? What you see, you can't tree a new grand in a wound, the family free and sentimental. But in a corporate time, I know NDC was. A dear people so buy what Atapuku so say, that's not it. Media and Casampai crying, it is a walk a cabin. I was a king of a question. But yet, dear, I will say, I bet you, Bobby, would you get see I was some time would say, some time bet me iron. Because supervising the 47 consequences, all this one, I've worked with him. He has been the secretary for 3 terms. And in near my way, you're not just saying, did you make any challenge, sir? Bet my right. What did you say? Least here,
right. Of a mention of us say, it didn't go back. Na atapuko mbe demonstration of our regional executive member now o send this message na brem no mbe demonstration why e ni eti ahwan well wasi any more practices exams in January WAEC counselor I think last year yetna had di nkomo leakage se ba ye emofra no munum se omobenya support via omoenya almost share vandalizing near various campuses. Idiom and Peniatem. It is not common. So, oh, headmaster board ye go. Why? Because I'm a now, why I say, who say some schools, they monitor more closely. Why never so born a mono? You pay anything. Means because and I'm of and I'm
yo, that's it. And yet, for your
good.
Make your services. Namentia, a school for you, Sir Mark, you share Ghana educational. Every baby a shot, for fire, bedroom, and swap. Yea, ever so. Yet, me can say, yen tomb pong a war. You must BBM, acquainting reforms are who do I bang but just to say education, a baby, big young and also. And he, ya want money. Now, say a better at the best. A good one, so I have better. It's just still your own, quite cut. Now, what's the educational system, right from the independence time now? And you may be on my young right. Is there about 40 years or more? Nanka say, I share your tibia. Anything you see in your man, your policy, a year education system. But your question is a yeah, tibia, a vocational aspect, technical training, skill training. Ah, yeah, my young possibly. And grammar education now sound the realm. I have theory, no. Then one I had Dimwa, you ever do something, so yeah. Yamian calling is here, can say, leakage. I want to do one. And yet 21st century. That time I not technology grow any corner. No mobile phones any corner. O level time, middle school time, they come so good. I just say, some more practices.
Okay.
The GDA said, Nuntina, Yamano Kona in India, my and but as a seal, of course. And never be a we are here through. Young Passan, Yamano, and Peru education. Now, question is, why the impossible? there is a war body obia or matter of education obia it is one emani so can wayek ya oye so na we di bona eyi a kire fo a ehwe so hwe no so we di bona eyi awofo nso we di bona eyi eti
this year una je chefo de bidin koma they will tell you say omo de omo nya boni bia fi se nkola no di kan kro nya paper no be 2-3 days e solve asana betena exam so ho do yan so ye invigilation hwe so nse ne ho odi agunti no obetwere
eti no se ka se so bo bo teacher ni a e bia na enye saa da na anya saa time na the question is edi enti kwa na ko pe akono because ahunbobo anu e sha ase free baby na ka akowie ensohwe ebrem enti e bia na ye ka se so bo teacher ni bia e bia na ni dwumadi bia na sese wodie emre bia na nka bebo akora no eno na ntimi ankoso eno na ma akwa na ye se ni ebi hu hwe me nkopɛ saa akono enti ye betimi akire mu akwa akire ebi mu soso ye ne se esanse wo man kwa kira de nti no na eye ne subject na de obedi nkwa na mpaase ono ne yebobo no subo nti no ene enso hebre no obekom se komfo no apɛ bibi dia mo no makoye atwa na asegu no enti se yaka se ye be ye teacher bo afiri mu kura eno soso enye sa awofo soso bebam abepia sika bi a atachefo ya na otua ma wo na ya na me nwanwa baabi o so mo kɔtɔ saa questions wo kɔ mo kɔla bi o ma ye nton questions central market ye nton ti ya na ye me nwanwa so bi ka so kɔtɔ akwa bi hu baabi a wo tɔ no so still ye tɔ akwa ye tɔ questions enti ye kɔ ye nim ye bi a ye beduaduo mu ana ye hu baabi ye nya saa bi ya na me ka education system no eno na idi ye nya bi si samwe in fact your education system no is become too much of exams examination oriented right from the beginning akwa no nursery 1 no kra no odwene so hwe so eti so hwe na be ye bibi ti say wanya saa nso hwe no abodi no wantimi ampase aye no ye bibia wasasi so a yeye akoye say school na ye kono akoye nso hwe enti ye prepare deeper for life no enye no nemu se be ye nipa ne be pass nso hwe enu ti no bi betimi atena fia eduru se aka na wotwe menu miensa me aye nso hwe na wayi ni because when me say why na mo boy dey and it is not helping Ghana eti mi di say ye kan wa se mi ye be hwe kwampa ye betimi afa so na ye timi aye because say technical education na me kan wa se so anya argument ni and then ye nyina ye raw education look at the number of subjects ya yesua don't forget say intelligence level IQ na ye di sua de no enye pe o enti sa de ma na yesua no enye ni pet de mu ho nyina na betimi asua nya ade no pepepe pese obi ye home economics obetimi akọ university akoto aso wan hwa on sia mathematics ba ko pra ewo ni area no but one pass mass ewo SHS anso ontimi ko yes afọ enti die enti ena sese e ba nisa enkwani bebre wo de mo no ma sa regular education ya ye ka geography ye ka government ye ka we kese wo boso a emmo ontimi ba sa kwa ni nya ba bi foforo fire enko be ya de pa wo
okay
then so akoye se ye nyina sa kwa na ntimi anya pe ne ye no tirewu do bon ni ade so at a point in time no obetia da ne mo wa pe kwa foforo bi obefa so de ade enya nso ke
okay
say university be kan okura your tertiary institutions be kan okura enko na mo ba ho in fact mo ba with good grades better grades no they are not the one who are selling over there the question is
me teacher ne bi o ka tell say na kola o che na dey o secondary school man ko university o hwa na kola na sending the questions through WhatsApp e di audio kan say on solve man no na on sending for man no o ignore 2 days na kola afere butan na say ade no wonya won kan kire me say wonya akọ university no why because maybe you know say onya ekwan bi so ama bi teacher ne boa na ma netimi koy so na ade me koy ndina ne wa so san boa me na me san famu ho
so nti aha na ye ka no afọ no ye ka si akoto question no university ni bia ndina ne ye wo sex for days ni sa ni ma ni nyina obi bra wo kwa no one day on personal lecture ho nsu ati ba de on be o be pass
mesaba na ya behwe waye kan kasa nso no ene to ne ma yi ana abusu awaje nche no fabra numbers no egu screen as fabra na nyamre kan entumi for my the issue of examinations in Ghana BC wasi the way leakages eba then e betimi aye etimi dia fa ma memra virgin
yeah
you na ko school be pain
yeah
e bi kwa no ye hunu bi tuma ko dua at that time na was say bi ho na e friend soku no mo betwe dam sa no akọ red I stand headmaster as one okra no odi kan akra bu mabam say dam so no odi hunu kura to mo so ansama akọtwe fixes but it me ko the frame ada na no asem ofra no the interest in na say also nyapo.
Okay, me that say education is very, very important.
Good.
Even opeso ye kaya ye kura, a little bit of education be wow. Formal education be wow. Whatever it is, we are seeing education is important. That's why even the UN recognizes we on my own draw budget kura. They expect a certain percentage of your budget to go into education.
Sure.
Because a well-educated people makes a nation a better one.
Good.
It's education, and I want to agree with my other colleague. They say we are examination-oriented country too much. The BIA per se exams, but that is what we all pass through. But I think, say, over the years, our educational standards are falling. I stand to be corrected, but why would I don't know Akrabe person go through every length so Apo? Why? When we went through the old system, yes, there was a certain level of Apo around, but it was not, and yet too much. Say,
I'm saying now technology also come.
I agree.
But I don't use a smartphone. From telephone, use a smartphone.
I agree. In those time past, I my in fact calculator cramba exams all
good.
But then I momo de. But I also think say preparation level no low. I'm for the old system. You call Form 5. Every year I call 2 years lower 6, upper 6. Before I will go university, 7 years and son I will go university. So before you go there, you are matured. That man, I me Form 5, and me Form 5 no. Now your 6 form might be no 4 budget. Why crying and math me best run with school more. Yeah. You were matured. And then even those time when you matured, look at the length of time near the whole school. And then crying you matured, but look at the shorter time when the whole school. They are not prepared adequately. And so when you prepare adequately, your parents will want to do everything possible. So be pass exam. One class so person pass exam. Because one pass exam, you can move forward in life. And your preparation towards in Korano at the same. And yet, today we can even talk about you are changing curriculum. The curriculum is not ready. And now almost say be ready or China. Almost say the old one. There are no textbooks around. When you do that, what do you want them to do when there's an exam? When you do that, they are not prepared. And then SSE almost, what is the duration? That's why I was for President Kufawood said that let's do it 4 years. 4 years. Because it will prepare. Even year 5 years, still our people were failing. And then less than 3 years.
But so, and also Ambeka say I produce the best. You heard the current education minister Adechum comparing 2020 Wasi to that of Nigeria.
Look, I don't want to talk about. You are against a certain free SHS, but we know what went into that. We know. It was not because the kids were so prepared and they wrote their exams and they passed well. We know how government by its own machinery wanted to prove a point. And so anything they would like to do, say, man, Korana passing. And so they did it. And Korana passing. But it was not because the kids were prepared. I'm telling you that when somebody is prepared, when you are coming to do a show and you are well prepared, in our time, yes, there were poor around, but obi ho ye so prepared so on person oti upon no
about this table no
on person oti because he's prepared. It is a young show your preparation of the kids upon they forget it. When there's a demand for something, the demand is high, money is inside. It's metal leakage, you know. Look, WAEC has overlived its usefulness.
Wow.
Oh yeah. I think that. But Mr. Stro said, "Who could change WAEC? Now, for me another examination board here. Nipa da senia nebeye adwuma ho. Human beings, we are corrupt. Akora na anya prepare ni ma me be pe kwan bi so mana anya apobi. There's a demand for it. The people who are also setting the exams, printing houses or more printing exams papers, transportation, are they transporting those exams papers to wherever no? Oh, by all means, obi benya kwan di bia ba bonte. Yeah, me yana say why can take responsibility. Yeah, me ya. And you know, WAEC is autonomous, a little bit of autonomy wo and member states are supporting WAEC in a certain way. So even our educational budget, WAEC will check for the more. But it's about time government institute investigation into WAEC as a body, even though they are autonomous. FIFA was very autonomous, but young who said bribe because one FBI be investigating FIFA.
Who say WAEC from benefit? What they will say is, well, yeah, the exams, you know, you make sure say everything is in order. Leakage, Emma, but air chrono, police in Ibina, AD and Nimu and I would get me a headmaster be office and the can have go as an atiano. The true that medium no and I process no mono.
If you all cry, there's some papers in Drew school no more, now leaking.
Oh, yes, this year, the end for instance, elective mass for instance.
Thank you.
Colano, we know it was about 3 years.
And also WAEC for Becade. The CSOs in education, one of them, African Education Watch.
Yeah.
On my issue, at the amount WAEC. On the 12. Do you know what WAEC did? Almost sue African Watch Education Watch. You know, they sued them. They were not ready to admit. So we also have a role to play. The person who say educational system, the preparation of. Look, in our time, yes, even though say we were well prepared, Form 1 to Form 5. It means I'm for SS duration no economy.
So come 4 years.
And come 4 years. So I think that when a child is well prepared, and
then Koran so me shock. Because Koran o ma binu mu da ho, o kan ya na fa. Okay.
No moto apoy. So these people that are buying Apple, they are the ones who end up in the universities. They end up in the universities. And also somewhere got Apple. So from the start of the life, no, or a corrupt.
Into we no babonti.
Into we no babonti no be a corrupter. Okay. Who blame him why? Right.
Mama Komra, there is another way so amount for can say that issue of ranking. Near ranking Ashanti region. ABA for 2 consecutive years, you say the person in high school and a top school in the school in the yard there. Inti my school be so prene who say no. This school there, just was academically pano and I'm the top here. And they say, I'm top in the bomb about so there. Let me also find means and ways to ensure I'm not going to pass it. So that I'm saying, my basso now you make you some color a feeling.
Prepare them.
And also another way, if I say a man leakages never meet you on like.
I think the school system and one in unfortunately, Ghana Hano, the who go get one would you catch those matter. We are so used to the old and our texts and Yama head to the extent that you cry or try the innovative idea. Yen, sir, I don't know, yen, just me back, you know, senior, we don't welcome ideas. We don't welcome initiatives. We kill them. obi a wotimi chere na adwen otimi kasa confidently grano yetimi kasa we arrogant
yeah
what you say near use that tag no near their tools so near suppress you ama wontimi nko wanim what you say me kai your school just say akwabi wodi made ma bin so na adie ba na opeda ne zedu ma fata to na
o chere hono do
we ya bibiru do ya ma je za fa na pedie to hu se wenya time ewo school wa ewo ya bibia se competition right from say a course school ya set target at 2 years wa mi mu bia ya de ko what you say bibia bibia efie na obi a obenya 1 2 no dia dia seneti kan dia chegwechi dia dia na seneti no what dia na seneti no bisa say e dia be na chegwechi yes
a skill another training a form of training to as well
ya safety exams amana koye na Muhammad betu do or die SSC you know was you know
do or die
a critical stage in one's life
sure
ha mobile money for yom titimu nyina anya to on pese obekọ dey ha about the bed determine say obetina contain mo ana say obekọ wani yama na dey na ye so do or die say true sir we don't take chances because you was school akwabako ohun say ya shisha index number no what me say ofan provisions in abre Chema say
dinenya ho de na kire me duro wa kire me bi
be ga na ya me anya sem titu o etino is about time sa exams no ye mi say ye nyina ye hu say ye fam no aboa ya na wo be exams na wie no na onkai hwe bia me kai hwe o sa ene amekai say my boyfriend the homework by me to be akwala o classes you know na dey we na mo ye chere mo classes I didn't me I am a den but na kama ye kura twemo say me nkai bibia
bia tu empo
about time practicality na me dey me mefa free your language what you say your language ya mana ndi ye ni mu kan e wo ya disu ye mo sometimes who you to brofo actually nsem mu a enya sem kitwa o you most of ye communicated right oga don go English program on da because can was 1 to 10 see 10 minutes near the amount of can 2 minutes now
wait I can what that host
who dia obeka
carry on
won twin asem no menya ka obetiem enso conjunction ni niema ubeki ka bo mu ansa na a complete sentence a problem what you say joy fm ni one there are more city how many communicators now who is a blow more omo ko nipa no nya ko be kwa kwatena to ni a criteria ni we ni affect ya to no e ma ni timi nje pe se ke e ni ade ye twi no e kire ade e wo school mu na so ta wo te class e ma ya na mu refia na wo te class tite be ka se mu nyina no di twi example fm se aha afeina mate ade na se so etin was antinada mi kenya na antina won tiate that is it etin ke ma kwen naka ya decide money from there amaya wo mo ama mo kasa adominate ke China udru wa brofo ye mfa brofo ne kuti wo China you speak their language what you say brofo adane the order of the day aba chese Ghana no you measure the level of intelligence ewo brofo what man ka brofo chese wuni ni answer no timi ka brofo kata baby brofo no only a piece only wuni answer that is not the that shouldn't be the way
okay
so what you say media one you failure because you use a local dialect and train Kwana there from the beginning. 2 acquire your first one you did examination you do or die at the we are saying and your papa make I say your school ya you work CBT form of training
I'm saying
competency based training
okay
you who say one more pama dear, one more yesterday, and a human wouldn't yet. But what they brought full of Kwakawa, on Timmy wouldn't so. At the end, yeah, and it's over was a qualification in your and then I will say, with me, I demonstrate, said, would you yet? Okay, certificate. It is what we do. Sadia no nim pama, near show, my papa, over fast or over pamano. What you want to watch no is a man. So, what here? Ya Cabaya and my Pamo Ghana. Who year free, who shall not say who year? Bread now bread. Meaning, Sawa, if you cry to me, I want to open not, but we are foreign and Taria as a spring elastic be a woman who year ombre. Would him dear. Did you know a choir a fast way to chat? There were where a manner what done in a way I won't channel way now. Oh, shall be bread because that expansion, you will never get it. It's in the Panabana which church and the small, it is way in a good to go. Okay. It's here the energy at the camera and see so. No demonstrating. Okay. I dare not, what to me, who get a more certificate of competence. Okay. Imagine who see bottom specialist. Who be to a neck. Who be to a tarrier, named Sanqua. Okay. Sana car cry. Okay. Oh, you want to your type, your warrior engine, your warrior body, your warrior frame. Who you are what you can see in weather. Can I need you one teacher while you wait while you're not? Did that be this will come to
now, the challenge is, you say you freeze examination style. Yeah. You better the day because my friends or my said once a person or twice war, local university there, not a institution there. A can be also to me a pass.
Media, the kind. And says here, my wife, one in the only examining body, and how to work on her. Autocratic and near who yes. I was here, you free your system. Who call America cry, army cry, privatization. What I say? Say, open say, who call almost war cry, and the mark contract. What did they come? Whoa! Ubeka ko bede ako tender se me hia se me pese me ko kuma dan se ye ja bibia she wa ye kensa na da bia da omo inefficiency ne omo niema omo yeti ne dia besue akwala no so who want to be anya wadwuma yi a na dia be blame akwala akwala na printing questions student be no no or certain questions and answer on a corporate. Yeah, the other about student bed your friend said baby and sana, get the about baby and you. Okay. Since the way I can find an intimate your bedroom year, nobody about blame students, you know. It is about time, first, Yamma, and says why I can go on yes, Yamma, other institutions look fine. No more soon to be conducting or money competition, ever be BMR, and the end, you are the best out of it. Sure. Secondly, why I can hear more market and so people who are corporates should be punished. Siama sa leakage, you know, air bonia. Okay. Sometimes we have the wedding body where you is transfer. What do you mean what transfer? What transfer and so what for trouble in it. Yinadi. So that others know what the people say. Say bonia. I'm busy Yakuba and Casa Bonia get you. Yeah. Who is the one for who now, Mazania, Baya, now, oh, Yako. But who himself be deep one here? Ultimately, I will die. What I say? It is no myself, Sanchez, say, what, or more moonly, yet 50 leakage in your I check. Yeah, versus what? Yeah, the boy of one pro. Media, being cassette, a friend said, examination in we know a bad, and your bad, because. Who go when you need to access? Okay. Even a Juma Mukra, you are praiser. I bet now access in the within the year. No, it's everywhere. What I say, but where a man and a man I do or die. No, Mr. Matra interview room, only panel, minim their neck, war panel, or good toy. The pressure and tension says, Radia Panoa, tension.
Do or die.
Do or die. But my point is,
do a die, and you never have money. Look at that, I used to do a die.
that chairman but we can make everybody down.
Okay.
Emma sana ube mukra. Na wa wo tension ni bibi.
Bobenase. Ebusia, mwaje chemra na enya mra kan enfama examinations in Ghana monopoly. WAEC omonko a isuso nyina WAEC ne ti omudia still. Ira so te WAEC. Counselor.
Yes sir.
Yenya dan.
Oh, ye betima ye bebre. Ye kind educational system should be in such a way that we won't betima akwa grammar education ebe from akwa. Na more technical now we technical oriented. We no so ebe dia set areas no more question as asked. The one that when I can na me break preparation fact yeah can be very much so I so ya de nti pese am simu ane ya ha wo mo se ne ye ka so du on ko papa no bi kura wa ye na hobo nyina na ka wo ye so hwe enso so e be chance ye twam na san ko fo no be ha wo bi ti se enu adie e bi ma ya hobo genuinely a ko be ye so hwe enso ne
na the dire consequences no akọ no so oni mo hwe
when you because one na be say what when you be fever and when you be work yeah preparation no they say you hu ade ni mi wo kwa buche mu na akra na sana ko be ba sa senior high no and high school 10 students to a council the committee say or identify potentialities. It means a crowd with you. Why, yeah. 4.
Okay.
No, get in a cocoa. A crowd way, why, yeah. Auto mechanical. Yeah, in a cocoa. A crowd way, you're betting up on regular education to become a teacher, to become a nurse, to become a doctor. Now you deny it. And see, a corner. Yeah. On not been in the year. And sabi kuma die no on kon kwatena ba bia wo mo kwa akosua akodi teacher no na wo kwa akosua saa ne ma na wo mo fan mo bra enhia no kora no na adwene no entimi hia saa ne when I yet can nyina bebre na so aye saa nkura ya make wo mo ka so mo ho no as matter of fact enye ma na ye kire no wo so a emfa at the end of the day wa ba timfie mi ense nyina nti ye be ka kire ne se wa me ye
and then society no so no
how do the society that see them
especially young sorry na mo results na ba ko be we school bia no bia person ko busa na e ko say
and these are some of the things and then that unnecessary pressure the unnecessary competition na ye dey to education so ranking headmaster ko sign bond one pass here ye be you say meanwhile headmaster na here why to strategies bia say what dey one krai a cheche for do matrasi look as you speak intervention is ka o ka so do be teachers as we speak scanning your day am I
academic year na end
so the teacher center no so no krai do ba bia won so krai mi that is why I have 2 cities 3 cities you know and one of the entire so mo so but I am not saying say as a professional as a say dey na dey ever and a professional man no as say with this ani money but nipa you all you know expect say at least when you be kakra bia dey you try na ka dey all right but when you to the education by a teacher for every because the number no SUT a course who say management we don't vacate we kwa we ba ni ya da suit ho bibi an tu bibi ama o so ma ka twa ba ku ya so ne die si aka twa wo sadness or necessary pressure na ya dia ma headmasters no any schools na sa ranking no minister per result director general per result regional director per result district director per result headmaster so per result isi ayenye dey can you know another pressure in you school pass it's hard time say ebema o mati ase say o man ka so mo ni so mo life
okay
you know we say o bi mo kwa mo no mo no e dey e kono enti say the menu am we can say why e yem pe bi kan ho no dey me na so say enya body bi be kan fe so ye betimi aye sa serialization na o mo kan ho ase why e ka boso say ye be set of questions different bebre me no better them now question 10 different from me question 10
I remember university first year Is it communication skills?
Yes, communication skills.
Ubusa no. What is Ubusa the question one?
Yes.
No, the question one no. Yes. Different from question one.
Serialization, no, say human. I take preferential device. As I say, EPA. See in a different sector. And also make him control. What talk questions in the mouth panel. Wouldn't you say R5 no? And no panel by the day. I graduate. Omonia piloting. One facade and in a day. Emra. Now Omonia sa pressure now. More than my schools, you know. One pass here. Who ever headmaster? Or by you are who may say to send you what you are headmaster. Only me as a way.
In any case, no pressure. And my teachers no crown not get themselves involved.
And there are no two ways about that. No two ways about that. School sleep for home, my teachers and I involved. Because I don't believe there's a sort of passing. Who headmaster now, when you and I what you say. And then these private institutions, one more remedial classes, Emma Woman.
Ebi moji na nsan on betre them see, and no be brief me. Say obi timi gen kola no, e bia be 3,000. Baka say the school mo commence ho kra. Adam say do anu aba, no abetwe.
Me say you person you see say you me nyina no kwaya because one pa na for bet me fi o mo dia ide.
Aba.
So be 3,000 not 120 Adam do o me kra. What does it mean? It means say DD no come we work on the board for the people and before so we work on the board who me our baby. Who pass it go baby. Come na failure na. Definitely. Who sending your man ide. And also nyam ko dia me smile there. Me nyam because good what that group we never handle was what the first one.
Okay.
Eti Emra so say,
right.
Let's see check is how machinery is being now.
Okay.
Na yen yan kasi education system ni here. Sa do na ye bumu for the here. Emra so say see team.
Right.
So obey technical education. What dey stand na adwene e ko ye no. Wo kakra wo ye no wo nya no ayi ye cheso. On pan ko ho na ye ko training no. Ni owo IQ na obetimi akwa be doctor. Obetimi akwa be teacher. Obetimi akwa be nurse ni.
E ma no come.
No woni na no ni timi mo aye wan kwa be be na ye no mo dem wa. Masa ne ye boss ni nya dia o mo ye.
Okay. I say HOD at in Science High School watching your show. In fact, the discussion is on point, but the main issue is that of the competition. How do you expect me to come and answer why my students could not pass English language? If that is the case, then I should find me some ways of getting my students passed. Good. Okay. We don't know. Me too.
Yeah. What is the way forward? Solution to our problem? Immediately, dear, within now and short, medium term, dear. Look, WAEC needs to be investigated.
WAEC,
yes.
Okay.
Why every year be a radio, so TV, so near the same issue? Is WAEC not interested in finding out who are those leaking? Why now set exams? It's like this house. One now set a program. Now leak here. One leak here. Me no why didn't come. Me no me no ne didn't come. Na matia some no about here.
How they different? Why for the say? Yeah, there are certain questions. By questions, no. I call region. I call region. No. I call police station. If you are, I call school. No.
So WAEC says that. Is that you are telling me that WAEC say or no certain question and he's not interested in how he gets to the school? Is that what you are saying? Is that what WAEC told you?
No. No.
Say WAEC say or no. My certain question.
Yes, but
it means who said near echo drew baby. That's
what I say. But I want to say it is sealed. But before a bedroom school move on, WAEC phone in the one Yatiano. And
who says that to you? Say WAEC phone you as on Matiano.
Oh no, they are not there.
WAEC.
Yes. You and I know, sir. WAEC for Bawa, they come when the students are writing the exams.
But the supervisor they are representing WAEC.
Yes.
The supervisor there too is a supervisor or a teacher in the school.
No, in the name of even WAEC.
Oh, by in the school.
No. Tie. WAEC needs staffs be brace and on more baby. So they rely on even Ghana Education Service almost staffs to be.
Sure.
And they are paid for that job that they are doing for WAEC. So you can't tell me that WAEC as a examination body need interest in answering my certain question. I don't care about how it gets to the student and answer my certain question. And today that's what they are telling us as their defense. That is a bogus defense. You should tell us how you are managing, because again then now leakage and then I am more. But then start here. So by now, Esa me closing every loophole. But you are still doing the same thing. And when we talk, they are still defending themselves. I'm telling you, corruption by FIFA no. FIFA was defending until FBI say yeah, it's about time government investigate that body called WAEC. So man, you almost they will still be doing. You see, nearby way you feel say the outside world are watching. Your certificate will be useless one day. It will be useless because they see say niya odinya sa SSC certificate no enye papa bia.
Oh, but as I said here, we SS. Now, okay, maybe A1.
Okay.
Me a crown.
I
don't think.
So, how do you think an institution outside this country? Do you know why our university body is revered? Say African countries need be medium maba because university no omatimia need to be for themselves. So there's a quality there. And I think that they should investigate WAEC. WAEC should allow itself to be investigated. Recommendation be a by piano. Omontimi no monja say obi ka omo asema. No more the lawsuit. The CSOs in education.
Yeah.
Omontimi a comprehensive report with their mom so munye we. The lawsuit they are not ready to learn, and a body like that yet me sure say oh, you see omo say obi enkrofo bebre enkrofo no nim say WAEC is autonomous. They don't know. They think that WAEC is one of the agencies for government. Eti uji the bonia near the aban the ekosu nyina obi kura timika so e aban na eye, but WAEC is an autonomous body. And so who say yente Nigeria there's WAEC there, Gambia there's WAEC there. Thank you. Yatio, what is a leaky Togo?
Oh, if you are not leaky, but
oh, sir. Okay, no problem. I think that the body.
What are the students?
Yes, I think that the body should be investigated. Na yen reforming whatever is going on there. Ni yen corporate na. Ni yen say ye wo. Now the second thing I want to say is that in preparing students, there are a lot of things involved. The students need good teachers. Okay. Good motivated teachers. And your teacher be a keke. Teacher be wo back classroom on feel so teaching po. Because it is the last time I heard my president say that don't aspire to be a billionaire. I cringe because then I would say so no dear so person aspire to be a millionaire. It shouldn't be in another way. Another way. So what to need for? Come be free classroom.
So those who are destined to be teachers, no.
There is nobody destined to be. Please stop that.
Who's that?
There's nobody destined to be.
Let me have a mouth. I just moment on you. I don't think
Ejanumo is destined to be.
Oh yes. And we in free teaching, but you will be answered.
Okay. Nyame person me trying to say. Yema teachers no enya pepa. Okay. Entra depa. Textbooks should be there for the kids to learn. When we're in school, we have textbooks.
Yeah, enough.
You go and sign. Oh yeah, now what's at the back? Tell me textbooks. Yeah, my teachers no nyasanya man. How can the government introduce a new curriculum and they're ready? Also, they should go back to the old one. You are confusing even the teacher who is teaching. Now or no you're confused no ko try there then obey. What in American prepare. You see the kids need to be prepared. When you are prepared, the tendency is so be person be pa upon. Why are I don't know uba fear o mama no papa pe teacher bi wo fie ma say on try wade. O person prepare. And you all prepare. And you say o mama will scan o person waste you. O person prepare. Okay. It be so. Nyame person me try say say ebema the demand for say market ni ho a ni ono set all person oton market ni ho nje otimi nton no ye prepare nkora no mo ye well prepared. They will not be itching for way say me compare way iti me say mo ma materials na ma akora timi ye prepared for exams no enwo ho say after all that e bi ni ho a ni ehun so and ye the subone boy but say the near woman there on you prepared.
All right,
but yes you on control exams.
Okay,
exams so person pass it then obey.
Right.
You see I want to when you buy, you see when you start buying Pasco for kids, what are you telling them?
When you start buying
Pasco for kids, an intervention from a buying say
you are telling them in life, no? At times they should look back.
Okay. Apart from looking back, don't worry. You don't learn. I'll get you something easier.
Okay.
That's what you're doing.
Oh, sir.
Instead of you to get them textbooks, let them learn the textbooks and be well prepared. Why? What do I care about some 87 questions are about when I'm well prepared?
Okay.
Question say your person education sector na eko year. Ye man kora no em prepare ye.
Okay.
Near my man kora prepare ye teacher ka ho. Teacher motivation ka ho. Textbooks ka ho. Curriculum na ebe ko ye no so ka ho. Bibia be ma school no anka say duane kro mbe di kura ka ho. So we are well prepared. Almost through exams because in life there will be exams.
Right. We say good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying the discussion. Could you believe I was posted to an area where I can't teach tree, but they forced me to teach tree? If this happens, what do you think my students will want to do when it gets to exams? They will definitely look for a pop. Ghana needs overhauling. Okay. Naomi, yeah, now see, is it the what to treat the point to change? Okay, we say leakages have been there since Adam. Some of the leaders benefited from it. The society pretends to frown on it. The government wants to make politics out of it by boasting of their percentage passes. These are the problems why we are finding difficult in fighting these more practices. Please, why cannot play innocent in this scandal? Sir Eric, Ade Efri Najahia Islamic Basic Mushizongo on the field de Aba Mamraha. Oh, Yanya dying. At the end, I was a buying a year. Our four and I teach for Yanya dying from one land. Go about 5 years. Once a person pass, you know, no, that avenue no. About be the pass it. Good.
Countries where majority of the people are educated and can't grow echo. Sebi kwasi apasem ene kwasi asem e koso wo kwanso ni ade ade ni na e free ho. It is idea what say at any point in time bia no abai etimi bomode no di na ediko. I think that the budget 50% of your budget in a core educational sector, which is very good for us. Now okay na na do down kwa akoko abaya. Ohun said there were impediments ever educational system, especially secondary school. That is why on this our policy we buy because any man we know we firm secondary school, then asema palatable to us. As a parents need their school fees we are to school more. The 5 for neighbor bona dine in a barber swan. And Pempa, you bow dining a block no and Yansam Kitwa. Wouldn't it be apart from the Endibemount? What I say, and no tea, when you say, I 70 free honor, and no one. So what I say, I'm a nano, parents, you know, the Odigo to school fees, you know. What mean the top provision Kakra, Emma, Oqua, a credit to me, a BB Kakra, and its opportunity school. Okay. I feel to know the open basic school number. Now don't remind me now our capitation was 4 cities. I where they are called 10 Ghana per child.
Okay.
Which is why increasing at the number. Sika ya farmer around the whole Bravo school. No, ebi account. Now you can have an improvement in service production and another and a provision. and I just had it.
Sure.
It's a quiet year first for a year, buono. A year, dear, will be a bedu one that say, I buy no airborne woman. Textbooks, any other idea, it could be printing and other things. Say a car ministry now, and come for any other means now, almost they are printing. But wouldn't tendering, procurement, and who send some quiet idea?
Maybe I take an exception to that, in my view. It seems the government, no, Nani was secondary school, no change, basic, no, because that's what I can want to be. Every year, secondary school for the but can you call them almost 2 years now? Omunya textbooks. At the end, I'm what the end they delay about 2 years. Now secondary school the anyway, I know a is it not focus or because I don't know free SHS?
Say my who find say ultimate chair what in that direction. I mean, so my catch there will say, or how now what secondary school mono not as soon. And September year do it. Our four will have to go and sell Womuntoma and Omega Padia to pay school fees. And to me, and everyone was over 10 money said, I buy a focus so because who's the problem of baby? You have to pump more resources. And you know, say, I go back and say other sectors, you know, I was here, so be it, we welcome it. But now, I will say, there were problems. It was genuine. A lot of people couldn't enter secondary school. What I say, as a result of the cassette, now you have access to the medal. Not your person work on it. Nobody will block you from having that sort of education. It's in the whole college, other sectors near there, there resources, power. Many problem with it. So what I say, but see a come in terms of education, in helping it to progress. How about we have on nobody? And JBA and one teacher per laptop. They introduce you. Manaba. What I say?
Laptop.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, laptops, you know, and you pre-installed a whole lot of educational and yama. Opa Menji.
Okay.
What I say? Me here, me abaya jume. Me qualify say me because I me pay for controller. Me qualify say me jilo. And I just
yeah.
I'm out for that be almost any text messages there.
Sorry.
But I buy it there. What's the way teacher ni? Now you feel say ube here and there be. Now what you mean improve your what you mean? Opa, brabeti bi. And you be more yes and I brand in ya and I want getting your best better than move. And so care.
Yes, too.
And who die. And the come and come for brain and form. If you are saying there, it's about how you prioritize Onyema.
Okay.
And at every point in time, yeah, Obia so when he needs. What I say, it's the idea this year, the Biaba, who feels their own pay way now, pay we are. This is what we have as a free SHS.
Okay.
I buy now who create their taxes near the Adema. What say, so back was secondary school there, medium any free. Now, if it's a woman, now pay GIS near the idea. And also,
with me, Uncle.
but movement motasis near the Adenino. Our teacher for me and Joboka, headmaster me and Mitra, and I mean, I'm see here. I cried before the school visa was in my airport.
Right. I was also arrested P. For Yenchana upon Stanley, member of communication team for the NPP for Ano South. Upon message number, okay, Paul also Chiano or Bojuma Maka. The Academy, and discuss here. Doom Sonia de Adema Hama once of the Yankaneha. The other man, the Facha Pa. We say, I'm Ebenezer Kosa from Takrade. We have to put the blame on WAEC because they leak the papers. I bet you they do that to sell the papers. Okay, also no. I say, I like the submission made by the counselor. What he said about the counseling is very important. These days, we should ask the students and their parents how many of them get counseling before choosing even a subject. Most of them are doing general arts because they have heard it is general arts, which should not be the case. Nana Bini and so dear and also Eddie Abba and so I don't know. We cannot do away with examination or practices. Even in the UK, it is there. But we can minimize it. And so the government must investigate WAEC, as our panelists are saying. Well, also the idea about you try home now. Young Kratosma Emra Yaba. Ebe end with Reverend Oswempa. And then the chopper and what part IGP and fan channel na wakadi yanka. Yaba this year.
Oti animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasan kra no wasa twu glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no ubekuna say abeye mremre
okay
wo banyim easily
piaw so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene nsia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri osem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kokwo atibie uduru wo bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwantu ne ho hihye padia eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ayadwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina age atomu obo ma wo your birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwade visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing there we number 1 odo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa di ondwuma nyina so no do kodura amanone a ba bia obeda ene adwuma obeye nyina nso so obepe e de amawo adisuafo mu kosua de e wo Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any amanye keka ho nyina nso mbekwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odemu kodura emra musua de no nso osape dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma munhunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santase ni opokuare school ene di animhwe bekwai odo tobiriwura bank nchepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction di animhwe freye ne e wo 0242902799 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour
Abusia yensan ema akwaba uguso Sinopi live on Kumawood television. Ye vasada enfama Lawson Heba say drone de do no ano e ojeto ma so de malaria de typhoid de boa bema mo ye bema na afi so no de boa wo amotumi didi ni na no Lawson Heba mistress na ye kanfo e de amo bo de ha ko bi ato bi duro bia no a eduro ba ko bitumi abo especially say wonye ntri de na ho eto wo na ope bi anom Lawson herbal mixture no nyina no ebi e wadwoto maso le bi to nemum ope bi atu enso aton magana bi ano a obe frɛ 0242 133577 0242 133577 frɛ na afi omuntimi enyo so Venisberg Travel and Tour and American for the amawo say akwantuo no wamano ayefo say utu kwan international and domestic ticketing no omo eyebi e o makato betu atwa bi the amount omo se memma kora omo abe bibia atumi the amount omo betumi assist amount sa aka visa opa appointment so to akoje visa so a omo betumi aboa sa so na woni passport ana se woni birth certificate so a Venisberg Sibra na omo timi maka kire say akwantuo nyo obi a de hyɛ ne nsa obu abada da juice ke dipe ontumi fa wonko by Venisberg there omo so akwantuo wosam nyina no fabra na omutumi emo omaye bia me yehunu dodo no ansa ntwekọ dodo okuma so omutu kwa nyina no Venisberg na omode ye kro nti omode a ekopim ho na omo so entimi mo kumase santase omo no pokura school no na edi enhwene mu be frɛ wo mo e wo 0556 055965 0556 055965 na afi omo tumi aje so Malam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center e wo Kumawood TV Escafo Amantema ka kire se Malam fori nyina ne nei na ma zanti omakoda wan here no record no dey about mama me only Malama oba live on TV programs radio na obewie no na man for fair bona ba so papa dey 27 years ontwa obi ada onu obi anya problem bi ada Malamu a woche akronfo eno no ono na akoko TV a eda ekotwa ne board ye na nko so wo twa da akoko gina so de ba kodi ada na se wo so wo duro enso board ni wantimi ancheme otwa board na beto form no ano na oka board no ho Malam beto no ansana wotimi ehun say yes bibi wo omode a ne kopi mo obi afọ obibi opese uhunu akire ana se ebi a yare bi ena ha odofo bi unu bi bi atwere edam yare bi a ko na wotimi mo a adwuma ehun sam na aye den akwantu na apese utuo o de ta na wan hu bi etata ana se ebi a na wo no opese onya bambo ni nyina no de bantu ambo so na boso nyina na ware no emu sansam nyina na Malam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center Kumawood TV Escafo Amantema ena obutuo Eastern region udu nkokọ a no ape taxi e de ko kwa akora udu na wa yera Kumawood TV akọ Unity FM ene dia na afi kobusa na se e ho 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 friend na onye so Awa Travel Logistics dem ka kire ho se travel and tour na emom ukoduru ho na wo se odo uko US a ka kire se Mike ne kan ye se US de oboa Awa be betun do akonko a wiase nyina Dubai ho de adwuma bia so apɛ no uduru ho manya bia ye accommodation ho onso opase uko Dubai akoya adwuma ukofa niema uko holidays a Awa Travel and tour se kan se brai na ontumi emwa numbers no 0552 373027 0552 373027 from na afi omuntimi enye wo so wo yere na ede ese na afi bia ho na to man so atimi na genchire aban na yedi nkomo MDCs ehon nkomo akra etimi edi wa sanso na leakages in West Africa Examination Council omo so ya omo ede ema afi 2021 so de edi ho enkomo ye mfanwie rebe na osi bempa ede chopper na ede ema Ghana fo nyina se de course so ntwaye se makaka ye no sabi nya ho nkonkro na ka che so wonka ono wa no ba honam no kaka na emom wasere ya ye ne IGP ora dampare eni nkomo na afi on temper mercy and kind of justice with mercy na afi intimi am on fanche no na onkoye boni biu Paul Ozuwempa so what is me jam fi press conference no ye no wase mo MPP for asemo ne papa na ni ye se papa isi MPP ni pa na matwe na chini mu a ma yese sasa ko ye so ni pa 70 Ozuwempa ne nkola ne mrante bi o makotwa bode ne akokoto tubutu mfo nyina dafa akon na mo yesa Ozuwempa se wasere mo ne dampere nkasa na afidie eye mo fanche no
Sana se mi jam fi ka won fa bi nye afutu e ma se Ozuwempa mpo se dia wo ka no woni nipa 70 akoda sales a ekire ne se Ghana no ye de mra e na eye adwuma the first and foremost omo social media sa bantane sa ne wa
follow bio
sa me a be the needless
okay
me we are say no me papa catch him say coins na edike o mo say paper e ti obi a o kike kike m be brain there's a wordless.
Okay.
We need to be our business. Debia no ya ese ahene bank sa uye cool now uye send ya papa osofo babia wakwa kutu chef kom Ghana hadie NDT go property go mo she kra na football go dream predicting mo kra mo heli sa na ye dia otimi e ka asem a otimi sa asem no e fa bi e ba uye nyina hu ni se asem
baby nso ma
Chief
of the Sotiasi.
Yes, baby. Sir, I what the two was say.
Eh, who be beer? Okay.
Aha.
And I'm going to the key, maybe save you.
But the issue is
Paul, we don't want. Oh, Ube the regional secretary, cry deputy.
Spiritual matters,
yeah.
I am not in person make
okay.
Because me ni hobby. So,
what does your say?
Yeah, no, spiritual, but it's a hookah, malam spiritual.
Yeah.
And they are all me ni hobby. Because the malam, because you see, and I say, what transit or cut to move the water, your man. Me, to me, or no, there was a Nino.
Yeah.
Ogusu Bempa, now so for be catcher was a matter. Me who say water when you are. Me, Nissa and Nino, and I'm a dear. It's not me cow or massam. What I say, but meaning so for a fact to say religion and I say religious leaders they have major influence over your life. What I say,
what about you? Will you appeal?
No, they make common as saying they control certain parts.
Sure. Very important.
What I say, within the week you got problems but say that sorry now about him say you are reformed. What you know, it's Mr. Still wants to be and it does war. What you say? Actually, no one. I always cherish them. But you say, or Casse or Pacha or near the Adeno.
Yeah.
You know, you means the police is rich, or 2 more warning. And then you know, you represent to court. Warning to do a form of punishment and answer corrective idea at the amount. It is a one. Sometimes no who knew Adiana it really do.
Yeah.
Because who see video now, Maba, me person me who say Agrada or minute. It's me Maba say 1 minute me. Say we oba kra puna woni no.
Yes.
I say we free we fear about the area. The one ready fear kra.
One farm on pie. I'm sorry ma.
So who can say Maba say 1 minute me. Police go be alcohol here then.
Yeah.
Eti omama who call police so much say master why you here
okay
what you say adie na why you no why you need to have na ni abano so do both the next time no obehu how to direct the path
okay
enti no see ade be channel and see fan channel no it's up to running for no and on betima aka was recently na court to be circuit court I say the high court etime akwashe awe ni say obeti
yeah
it know if there's a way obeti akwashe no and answer bibisa ya to a case in this one
right
but ni nyina no I think that you see and there was a bad
right good evening. The government brought laptops instead of textbooks. An old madam in my school doesn't know anything about IT. How can she use the laptop to teach? It's true. The government doesn't have interest in basic school teachers, only SHS because of politics. So the government should set up one for the Amba. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. Thank you for your good work. May the Almighty God bless you. Teacher Karim, Edifitepa, and a day Abba. Amen. Teacher Karim, you say, when you're talking, Ache. Counselor, who's been pa, who to the four? Is it or no patch was saying in Kebman?
Yeah. So for a day or the politics, I think say a year, I couldn't take the short grass said when this go, I saw for the war, then I saw in a year. So Wama, the politics, you know, Apo ye, am I in a I said, Papa, baby, Kakra. And I'm on Suno, and Kaya, say, I don't know what in a chin, one. I said, war for now we are here now to me
into
also ready was to say we go be now we stage is a stage now we pay it's a man idea say they on what you have to say the boys yeah na wa pontin no one day and the sunset no can kind on one can say top and go baby I am one point but she had only say California but you're quite Saka Sabu say when you say you use cigar
you have to get connected. You have to be connected.
And you know young fine brady
but because it's connected. Sure.
What's that here? The dear Kwana was what you call presidency. The dear Kwana was what you call my ID. And I said, Commissioner of Police, your whole area, and I be a night. The dear Kwana. Now, when put out the money. There is a good stations in anymore. So, yesterday,
okay.
Platform now. One cancer, a deep crash, a deep control, a pepper, and say, a papa, how I'm out. Any part of it, nobody see. Now, what's someone wanna? Someone will catch one. I can't. Oh, okay. And yet, baby, I said, I could do piano. Wash a baby a bit in your
okay.
A foot woman and Penny I say, Ghana Hano, and Brawa home.
Very well.
And Brawa. Now, said you won't say any baby in program.
Okay.
And running yet to money. And yes, I did here. When you are now, I came running yet to my own farm running yet to money.
Okay.
Not on my Ghana.
Right. We say good evening, Sir Mike. Paul has made my day when it comes to Usman Pest submission. In fact, today, me to check my Paul. Jocelyn. Okay, Jocelyn, Paul does say, we teachers are tired of this government approach towards education. It is high time Nanado stop preaching free education. All is not well with free education. Okay,
but I think that impunity now war the country, it has to stop. If I say me catch you pass, me say they mean wasting me time and plead for him.
Wow.
Oh yeah. I won't waste my time. Don't waste your time. And I'll ask my brothers here not to waste their time. The impunity no, I do so too much. What thing I make say opini bi pewasema. And here I'm talking about the president. Say president pewasem. Wanya enumunyama na say wanya favor bi wo president enima. Don't use his name and your closeness or close proximity to the man to misbehave anyhow. And you know also behave like this. Also call FM stations, Hot FM, Power FM, Radio SYZ. Eko treat tuning the boys in the nam. Eko treat tuning na. Ya no she. So of so above the law. Even the president is not above the law of this country. Iti me de say ya cheno. Me baby ordinary play the crack cry wrong. That parent needs to ye be about Usu Bempa.
Because
and move it to the judiciary.
Yeah.
Nobody that parent to me yes be
oh say be on me akokwasa.
Okoya den.
You need say
me say that parent it has moved from the police to the judiciary.
Oh, but when the CI they kuta asem no the kokwasa no interest muntimi fa ibi ama the court will just quash it.
No. All I'm trying to say is only openi bi mouth favor when anyone.
Yeah. Is that
money? Oh, say yanka also be passed without mentioning the name of the president, which is wrong. The president did not send Owusu-Bempah to behave the way and the way he talks with impunity. Unim nyenti o kasasa. Ofu say to me be wanechi. And you ready to me.
You're connected.
That is what I'm trying to say. And you ready to me. Ofu so nim microphone more power. Mami bi ote ne nchen wo baby a Owusu-Bempah ti o ne share o mo ye neighbors. Owusu-Bempah has military military for a typical mono money cover the beer. Why wouldn't he talk the way he's talking? You think he was just talking? Also, about to be catching police force, or no channel. Because he thinks that he has one favor in the with the president.
Okay.
It's no yen, and the presidency now a train the whole kakrano. Or must show where power lies. And now catch a gun for say, yeah, patch or man. Me Kwabna Prince, maybe wasting me time. Upper one me bomb by yourself.
Remember 0202668461 0202668462. Usu Pacho, I think one Wasi, and then appointment of MMDCs and also Combo. But the work can Nipaya, the Nas were Fumwa. Now get him to a Fumwa. Why not?
What from say, or I can't also idea to me.
Was he a patch on for okay, hello, good evening. Nyamia Dum,
Mechanical producer,
okay.
Like I saw how to not prepare Yipa.
Okay.
Kakra da prepare Chada Bujusifia YouTube, and this Richard Chama, Manana Pempes or so, Jabi. Kakra make an over. Media decides by doing mercy for me. Now I ask for me a usual minimum because every day, every night, you know, but maybe a free bow would be new rock in the Sika. Don't know how but to be so. I didn't know quite a name solution. Can't pay fast of Kaza. The local father was fairly Ghana totally because of her obedient as a lawyer. To trust them, how near the idea of possible. Because your nation could to park and do I not yet what can get baby say. I will make crana no Amakaba. So be it, yet no cock or shame. Now I might be at 2 days, 2 days. Yes, for a Chico. Then I could find a person away in everything. The TV da.
Okay. Yana say network no na say so toto no. Hello, good evening. So toto no enim kasa akra do abi otimi twasi na sa ba network companies e best them say mo to niam yi 0202668461. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Mike.
Good evening, I show me friend you.
The part of the Captain Northern Region Kumbungu Quarter is a Fatah Kumbungu United Patriots member.
Yeah,
Mr. Mike made us a mammy far when you went and on Mohammed. I was talking Minister Michana now a bit boy. As some of the Piazza Journal, I stop for the top for all to them, or the assembly to go. But I'm on the one you say, I was there, be Dampariam, so because the Islamic come a fair. What just say on an obey you must send a pata. Because from Mampanyin and not down for or you say one thing is my year. And to offer what the president we are free. We are free for now, no what the we are there in your papa, I bet you. But a child to what you or in the party and another thing in the Maya play your politics too. Because you also Bantano, and you'll be at the Ghana, you go by a man and by a one of the man because then you can say. So I don't think it's no bomb by a man. No one have a drum bomb by no cat or big cat and corner one Tiafi. And that party in the day of a passo. I don't know what you're lawyer will want him.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Now, Mokar, because he said, it do be so be and can watch them. I didn't be a now. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Sir Mark.
Yes, but we have free.
The family upon Stanley, the Casafi, Man Council in Hapuano Southwest.
Upon me, too, when you ray.
Media NDC community channel. Or are there, but you could see a year or can't say be a many and Jehu. I dare see a channel, so I say, from Swati about any part.
Okay. Then I say, Paul, okay, but Prince and this communicator, or your colleague journalist, and of course, I'm a social commentator, but I'm NDC communicator. Hello, good evening. Odi abi o hwe free.
Hello.
Ma TV bolo no confirm na yenti wadaroma. Odi abi a hwe free. Daje oso.
Good evening, sir.
Yenti o kasa.
The contribution. Ghana hano mo kwe na mi akase kan kwe asopọ bi no omo mama Ghana e problem the Ghana brown asopọ no sorry say Ghana a peaceful country na Ghana na respect for Ghana asopọ na dey confusion about to parents asopọ and ma obi nyini kakra wa busuo ma ese obi e boye before owusu bempa to me meaning our mental problem because this some okay na no enya papa show obi a wenya 100 and something years o shen from Ghana ha say ni pa you bia the confusion ever last minute ko ahen sama na nkwala neka nkwala na say omo ni omo de ba no is bigger than osofu owusu bempa. Enti masre Ghana mpanyinfo so mu tie sa program ya so
well yan fancy lines no kra no MY ye yan fancy okay hello good evening we are actually free yenti o
Mr. Chow hello
yeti o we are actually free.
May say also the pastor, no, I'm a patcher man.
Okay.
I am patcher man.
Right.
Hello.
Ethiopia. Okay. Yana say, yemfa afrefo no insi anena mo se pa mo fa nche se na yenyamre entimi amfa ampeke mo course do no abere mi se matimas nyame adbo chena is a promise say e fa mo course no e pa yentia Mala Mohammed era fi ajia ajia bokode e mi se ohoye ena ye de hia ya cha pa na nwumre Paul yes sir kwai
clearly tells you say politics na
okay
say uzu beba echi no because maybe of Professor Efa Tabao na ya china
yeah
obia so wo Ghana ha ni say uzu bempa oni na agrada o so mai na enya issue
say
eti adentina
ne justification ne say ma ti wono ne justification ne say aye say Mike aya de o say o TV so o say na oye you de da na ho beka no e be hu mafia no that is the explanation as American fide ba say mo de akose we no nka we de kanya asem bia sa
the American say ma politics
any day team sir okay right okay
what you say obi na sre no dey agrada mponya issue
there bia
nobody stand
okay
but adentina in the name of politics inti we dey be room dada Ghana for yenye ni sa
okay
yes say the very idea yenye benefit from
okay
oh yes sir no when Ghanaians they lose trust in politicians
that's all Paul Kwabrayando NPP communication team member in Ashanti region Asqua or constituency financial secretary na nyame ya domo a Ashanti region NPP race no e sha sisi kimwa deputy secretary and opere obi kwa aso bi ase bose obetimi kwa me na ma se nkom no obi kwa sampa ekwi na beto no na so ala akokuduro no nie enti na so secretary deputy no yes councillor yeko
yes Mike
nekra we set ne kama
that's it yes abane se o man ni ko be school
good
yapa me no e ka preparation e ko necessary
okay
enti ko mo be secondary school na ya hu yokwa so that for more and more IQ work for more MS na regular classroom work MS strike
okay
and no ya dey ba ko asese aba no ehwemai
right
na pay counseling in schools no so you were do oba en me yahu ne wo ye wo
okay
o ma ye tene kan counseling in our schools na ye hwe na emwa because na kra aba no ɛyɛ kasa nkoa na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛne wɔn kasa akɔkɔ ma mo ma yɛ
okay emra so fabi she fridge why Eugene Abuha a counselor educationist or Kumasi Academy ho and Ubutu Ntibuma Kumasi Academy nyina no when it comes to counseling na on a shedding sa Prince
in American say free for because on TSS American me means Remano and I will repeat it and ya dear me and American say me move be akran Rema emrano eni ndi emrano releasing now releasing emrano eni ni dia eni ni di you see ade bi wo ho ye fe ni impunity ye mo wusu bempa ko a obi su benya oh say ya ma ono akọ me so metimi aye
but I'm of the belief say wusu bempa he has paid his dues very well. He is connected
with you
and this one Nkusiaga
oh sir okay and nothing na make say openi bi dumu na unya favor bi ti say na wanya favor wona na do enim memfa papa no din hu emfa nya nia wo yi
okay
sa egu papa na wo wanya nmunya wo enim no enim ase
Virgin Praise a colleague journalist broadcaster based here in Kumasi and I also think community Mike on behalf of the entire crew Loretta Augustina Uchi Nozo Bernard Ade Samuel Kwabena Dako and Kobe Frank the CHB Nyame adom watchna Friday ebisia na afi yetimi SNP Nyame Samo na on come have a good evening
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akon obi o wa me ne wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesie da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwa because nipa ana wo homeda